Change language in Steam app. The first thing you need to do is open up Steam app on your laptop or PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Now just go to the top left corner where it says Steam and then go down and click on settings. Now what you want to do is look for interface under the Steam settings, then just go ahead and click on it. After clicking on the interface option, you will see the first option, that is Steam client language. So just go ahead and click on that from here. Just scroll down and select the language you want to use. For example, I want to use the Dutch German, so I will just click on that. After that, it will ask you to restart the Steam now or later in order to make changes. So just go ahead and click on either of the two options. Now you can see the interface of Steam has changed to Dutch language. So that's how you can change language in Steam app. That's all.